In this demonstration, we're now going to implement a resource lock in Azure on a particular resource group. And this is to help in case we had something like shared services infrastructure or some particular data services we wanted to make sure nobody could delete. So we'll head over to the Azure portal, and in there we're just going to pick a resource group. So in my case, I'm using sl-arm counts. This is one from a previous demo that we're going to delete eventually, but for now we're going to test it out with the lock. And you can see there that this resource group has 5 storage accounts in it, so we don't want it to get deleted just yet. We'll hit the lock section, and we'll go in and click Add, give the lock a name, and choose the lock type. Now if you remember from the tutorial, read-only is the most restrictive, but in my case I'm just going to use the delete lock for this occasion. Select OK, and you can see that lock is now available on the resource group. If we scroll back up to the top, and I attempt to delete this resource group, so I'll type in the name that it prompts me as per normal, and I hit delete. Immediately we get that error saying the resource group SL-arm counts is locked and can't be deleted. And if I go back in and remove that lock, the resource has no locks now. Go back to the overview, delete the resource group, and at this point it's going to delete, hopefully if all goes well, all of those storage accounts in there. And you can see it didn't come up with an error this time, so it's now in the process of simply deleting that resource group and everything that was inside it. And with that, it concludes this demonstration, and hopefully that gives you a quick insight into resource locks and how easily you can just put them on your resources in Azure that you want to protect. You'll probably get 1 or 2 questions on the exam on this, just how would I protect resources, and there's obviously different mechanisms we've covered so far in this module.